Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Mexican omelet. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like eggs, bell peppers, onions, and a touch of jalapeno for that authentic kick. Whisk your eggs thoroughly in a bowl until they are light and frothy. This ensures a wonderfully fluffy texture. Preparing your fillings in advance saves time and makes the cooking process much smoother, so have everything chopped and ready to go. Now let's get those delicious fillings ready. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat and add your chopped vegetables like onions and bell peppers. Sauté them until they are tender crisp, about 5 minutes. Stir in your favorite Mexican spices, perhaps a pinch of cumin and chili powder, for a vibrant, rich taste. Once cooked, set your fillings aside and keep them warm. It's time to cook the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Pour your whisked eggs into the hot pan, letting them spread evenly. As the edges begin to set, gently push the cooked egg towards the center, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. Once the top is mostly set but still a little moist, add your warm fillings to one half of the omelet. Almost there, carefully fold the empty half of the omelet over the filling, creating a beautiful half-moon shape. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until the cheese, if you're using any, is melted and gooey. Slide your perfect Mexican omelet onto a plate. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or a sprinkle of cottage cheese for an extra flourish. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.